National Weather Service. Flash flood watch in effect until midnight tonight. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood watch for portions of Delaware, northeast Maryland, and southern New Jersey, including the following areas: in Delaware, Delaware Beaches, inland Sussex, Kent and Newcastle; in northeast Maryland, Caroline, Cecil, Kent, Maryland, Queen Anne's, and Southwold; in southern New Jersey, Atlantic coastal Cape May, Cumberland, and Salem. Until midnight tonight, slow-moving scattered thunderstorms with torrential downpours have the potential to drop 2 to 4 inches of rain in a short period of time, where they occur the rest of this afternoon into this evening. Quick flooding of fields, low-lying areas, creeks, and roadways are possible. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. This hazardous weather